Hi everyone, I'm Jewel with Jewel Weather, and this is the Traveler's Weather Forecast. We're going to check out the major airports from the Federal Aviation Administration this morning. Now you can see the green. Everything is looking green, mostly over here on the East Coast, down south in Florida, over in Texas. We have one hot spot though, that's over here in Denver. They're having a problem with arriving traffic. This is at the Denver International Airport in Colorado, of course. Now, I want to show you this right quick. When you see the green dots, the delays are usually 15 minutes or less for arriving and departure. If it's yellow, that's taxi delays of 16 to 45 minutes. We don't have any of those. We don't have any orange, which is traffic designated to the airport being delayed at this time, but we do have departures. This is up in the Denver airport area. Departures are experiencing taxi delays greater than 45 minutes, and or arrivals are experiencing airborne holding delays greater than 45 minutes. All of this is happening now over at the Denver International Airport in Colorado. So Denver's the only one having a problem as of right now. Everybody else is looking good. We'll come over to LAX right quick. That 15-minute departure delays or arrival delays. Everything in green is 15 minutes for coming in and going out traffic. If this changes later on, I'll be sure and get it up for some of you that are traveling by air. Now, if you're traveling by car or maybe you're a trucker out and about, here's the latest radar this morning. Right now it's 8:33 a.m. Eastern Standard Time at my house, and I'm over here on the coast, of course. But this is what the radar is looking like as of now, okay? The greatest precipitation is over in Arizona. They even had some really nasty weather earlier today. But you do see this darker snow. This is a system coming in. This system's going to be building, coming up, going up and over across. It's going to be spreading lots of rain over this area by tomorrow. As of right now, though, if you're in any of these areas in the darker blue, that's where the heavier precipitation is, okay? Now, some of this over in Florida is a lot of clutter. You do have a chance of maybe a little bit hitting the ground if it's in the darker blue. Where it's green here in Louisiana, that is hitting the ground. The lighter blue is a lot of ground clutter, though, up in this area. But as you see, if you have any darker color or green, and you see where the severe is happening right in here, you need to be aware, because this is going to be moving over into Colorado. You can see some of this right now, and that's probably what's causing those delays over at the airport. Now, this is good from 7 a.m. this morning until 7 a.m. tomorrow, Saturday, the 30th. Now, this is what you're going to have to look for, okay? Where you see this is snow, folks, where it's white. Anywhere it's just white, it's snow. But it's kind of light. I'm thinking like down around Boise, maybe Emmett. You may get a half an inch of accumulation. You may not. As this system moves through, maybe you might get a little more, but I'm thinking this is mainly light snow. Light snow that you guys are going to be getting. However, if you're traveling in any areas down in Arizona, Colorado, Utah, Wyoming, and Montana, where you see these white lines through, this is heavy, heavy snow. Be careful. Be very, very careful. Where you have the blue, this is a mixed bag, folks. You're going to run into rain. You're going to run into, this is freezing rain. You're going to run into some snow, heavy snow. This is freezing rain again up in parts of South Dakota, a little bit of Nebraska, Iowa, freezing rain, Minnesota, Wisconsin, also down in Kansas areas here. This is all freezing rain where you see these purplish looking lines. It's just mixed precipitation wherever this blue is. You could run up on anything if you're traveling from California all the way across to Indiana and Chicago and portions of Ohio. Now, rain, heavy downpours, and possibility of thunderstorms. That's over in Arizona, New Mexico, a small portion of California, large portion here, most of Texas, portions of Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Kansas, goes all the way across to Illinois, part of Indiana, and western Kentucky, Tennessee, and parts of Mississippi down to Louisiana. Be aware. We got some rain off the coast of Florida. Other than that, Florida and everybody all the way up to Maine, up and down the eastern seaboard, travel. Once again, this is what the major airports are looking like as of this morning. If we have any drastic changes, I'll do my best to try to get it up for you. And once again, check with your local airline to determine if your flights are affected. Okay? Check with your local airlines. But over in Denver right now, this is what's going on. Once again, departures are experiencing, get back up here, experiencing taxi delays greater than 45 minutes, and or arrivals are experiencing airborne holding delays greater than 45 minutes. So everybody else is looking pretty good. 15-minute maybe arrival or delays. That's fairly normal. So that's your traveler's weather update for everyone traveling. Stay safe, my friends. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I would appreciate it so very much. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, and peace, love, and kindness to each of you. Thanks for watching.